Cool.
So we're heading to pick up what is it? Used NVIDIA Q300.
A Q300.
300 exhaust. So we're gonna put that on the STI.
Yeah. We're gonna hopefully clean it up because it looks a little dirty, but I have never bought a brand new exhaust. Every exhaust I've bought, the only brand new exhaust I had was the Tanabe. And that was actually free. So
free. Yeah.
I've never been a big proponent of buying brand new exhaust, even though I really wanted one this time. I just felt like
it's, as long as there's no like holes in it or like super rust spots, like it should be okay. Again, you're
doing it for the YouTube.
It's gonna be under the car. You're not really gonna see it anyways.
It'll look good.
So we'll see what happens. Definitely see what happens.
Gasket making 101 again.
Again, we're doing that again. So we'll see. We shall see. All right, let's go. Let's get this started. So I got those bolts for the engine stand. I still have not tested those out. I really need to.
Dude.
Like I have the box in my room.
We could do it when we come back. That'll be our second thing.
Starting route to 2279 Eagle Glen Parkway.
So we will do that. Oh, there's the RX-8 over there. What?
In 3/4 of a mile. Turn
don't
left
see that
onto
often.
Temecula Parkway.
Dude, I'm telling you, the Dizzy motor is gonna fit. It's gonna work. I just need. I'm figuring everything out. Like it's all coming together. The transmission fits. May need to cut the firewall, but you know we'll get.
It'll fit.
It will make that fit. You know we'll get.
Small engine bay, dude. It looks like it'd be a big because of the long hood.
Yeah.
But then you actually
stay in
look
the right
at it,
3
and the
lanes.
engine bay's not a ton of space there.
It's not.
It's made for a small motor.
Yeah, it's not super big. Everything's gonna need to come out for sure. But that's just removing the pin and
I'm
putting
kind
it
of
in the
surprised
right
no
spot.
one's done it, but I get it because it's a lot of. It might be a chop shop, dude. I'm
pretty sure I'm gonna need to cut into the firewall. That's about as much cutting as I'm gonna do into the firewall. The transmission's gonna stay the RX-8 transmission. It will hook up. It's a 1-inch input shaft, 23 splines. The clutches technically should be the same. Oh dang, this
is gonna stay right here.
Yeah, that big rig was.
I'm gonna let this lane do what they need to do.
Use the right lane to take a slight right turn to merge onto I-15 North.
There's that. I was looking at the coolant. I looked at the coolant. Hey, there's a Scoob right there.
Scooby!
Yeah.
Snack.
Nah, bro.
I can't do colored wheels. I just can't get into it.
Yeah.
I tried. I really have. I looked at blue wheels. Like those look kind of cool.
This little thing on the freeway.
What is that?
I don't know, but that thing's pretty awesome. So we're over here just passing Lake Elsinore, what used to be a lake over there. But yeah.
Actually, let me turn off this.
Go ahead.
Oh, sorry, I'm just trying to get to the.
Yeah. So another Scoob over there. We're at the exit.
Oh shoot.
It's probably the dude. He's probably.
He's in a truck.
Oh, I thought he was like, all right, you guys can take it off my car. I'll be like,
heck no.
I'll be like, nah, bro.
We don't got the time for that.
I ain't got the tools. I ain't got time. So.
Well, we stopped once here on this exit to pee before Vegas.
Did we?
I did.
Oh.
I don't know if I've ever stopped here, and this was just recently too.
Oh,
like
okay.
last year.
Gotcha.
Ooh, 335.
What?
No.
Oh. This is a nice area.
Super nice, dude. Corona's sweet. Expensive though.
Well, never mind then.
You know, that's out of the question.
Yeah.
I think this is southbound, so we'll just turn back on here and get on the freeway.
Yeah, that's right here.
Turn right, then arrive at your destination.
Look for the
All
truck
right.
with the bikes.
Truck with the bikes. All right. Yeah, so.
We need that Dremel.
Yeah, all right. So we just picked up the NVIDIA exhaust. Used. I mean, it looks like it's in pretty good shape. We ain't got no cracks. We got some minor rubs over there, but nothing breaking through the actual pipe itself. The flanges look straight. We just got some cobwebs over it. Flex pipe. Got some banging, but
Probably need to do some gasket work, but
some gasket work, which no big deal. You can do it.
there's 1, 2.
So there's
3.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Well, this is just 1 and 2 to the
oh,
mufflers.
okay, yeah, so 5.
That's 2, 3, probably 4.
I mean, we should, that
Figure
thing,
it out.
yeah, we'll figure it out, but otherwise, I mean, we just gotta spray it down.
We'll degrease it, polish it, and we'll just see where it goes.
Yeah, dude. I mean, it should clean up nice, dude.
Yeah.
I know for a fact this will clean up nice. So we're gonna
Load it up.
toss it in the truck and head home and see what we can do.
I wish I only paid $400, but it's okay.
It's all good, dude. Like, you're probably gonna be happy with it anyways.
It looks good though, huh? Once I clean it up.
Yeah. We had it in the sun. You can see it in the car. It's super shaky, so hope you guys don't get motion sickness. All right, we made it back home. We unloaded the exhaust. There's no gaskets.
Found an unexpected dent. We both missed it.
Unexpected dent. It's not bad. We'll
It's
show
not
you
really that bad.
when we get home. I don't know if you can see it in the other video, but
Technically, there's still enough air space in there for it to really not affect it because it's
Yeah.
two 2-inch pipes,
Yeah.
3-inch pipe, 2 1/4 inch.
2 1/4 inch. It should be fine. This guy's right. But,
why you have to be so slow?
This car too. This car's trying, dude. It's trying.
Keep going, keep going.
Can't make it.
Dude,
Your car.
So,
Quick update. We got one of the 2 1/4 inch gaskets. We got to make our way over to the Napa on the other side of town to get the other one because they only had one here. And
that's what I get for buying a dented exhaust.
apparently, dude. No, I just told them to make a choice instead of going back and forth all the time. So, but yeah, it looks like after this, we'll probably get home. We can probably measure it, but
Call it a day.
yeah, I'll probably call it a day because I gotta head back home after that. So, I guess we'll.
It's been a day, I'll tell you
Been a
that.
day. It's a fun day. Definitely a fun day. So.
Always, working at cars is a combination of fun, and frustration,
and then car trips everywhere.
and fury.
And fury. Yeah.
This exhaust yesterday, NVIDIA Q300, generally looks good. No major dents. We found one hidden one. We just failed to look at because of the way this exhaust was positioned. Look at this shiner. Whew, that's pretty heavy. But
All right, you guys. We're here with Jasper. We got the muffler that has the. We have the muffler that has the dent in it, and as you can see, Jay's over here at Best Muffler in Lake Elsinore. We're gonna see if we can get this thing fixed pretty fast. Hopefully, they don't need the exhaust on the car, but we'll see what's up. So, let me jump out and we'll see what's going on. Yeah.
Watch out, Daddy. SRT. Another SRT or muscle car bed. Got this Hellcat. Thing's screaming. Look at these. Look at those tires, dude. It's got a roll cage, dude.
Crazy tires, man. Someone rode slow.
I just want to be this fast.
Be all grinding sound on the video though. Just covered up with some music or something.
Do that audio louder too.
Yeah, I'll bump it up on the next video.
I'd rather it be too loud than not loud enough. Because you can turn down the volume. Even turning it up, sometimes you can't get it.
Because some things changed on it. Like before, your goal used to be
Do you have a 10? Thanks, brother. Appreciate it. I will. What do you think of it, dude?
Dude, that's pretty good.
It's clean, huh?
Yeah.
Dude, the bend's even like perfect.
Yeah, dude, they cut that pretty good.
Let it cool off.
Hell yeah. So we got that fixed. What was good?
Best muffler.
Yeah.